Okay, Aaron, I have mixed up your Rubik cube. So, how long you will take time to solve it?
Maybe a minute.
No, I think few seconds because you are too fast to do it. Can you do it, please?
Yeah.
Okay. We can start now?
Okay.
Okay, can we start now?
Okay.
Which color are you doing?
Green.
Okay, no problem. He likes green color. All right.
That's all.
You used to like green color.
Yeah, now I like blue.
Okay. So why not doing then blue?
I'll do that.
Okay, do it green. No problem. Oh, it's only for 10 seconds he solved it. He can do anything within few seconds.
Okay, that's
Thank you, Baba. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Oh, you want to do again?
Yeah.
It's okay. Do then blue, your favorite color, do.
Okay.
Yesterday, whole day I tried. I couldn't solve it. And within a second, he solved. God bless my son. So, oh, that's amazing. That's so brilliant. Thank you, Baba.
I can't do the whole thing in here.
You want to do the one, okay? Do read this time.
It might take some time.
I know this is little bit harder, but you will do it. You are so brilliant.
Done.
Wow, you within few seconds he solved all of them. Oh, how brilliant! Thank you, Baba. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Bye.